Hi, I'm Karen Atkins, singer-songwriter and health educator. Today, we're going to do a sound and a movement that supports the health of the liver. The liver plans and organizes all things that do something in the body, all body activity. It's a seriously busy organ. It has over 500 functions. The liver also stores and releases anger and frustration. Guys, you may be particularly interested in the liver because it manages muscular strength. So all kinds of potence and impotence are connected to the liver. All of that, and it's considered the seat of the soul. So it's definitely worth taking a minute to follow along with me and try this. The sound for the liver is shu, X-U, and it's a little bit more of a whisper than a tone. So you're going to start with your feet parallel, about shoulder width apart. And as you inhale, your hands are going to come up the center of your body, and then they're going to split off. And right under the rib cage, they're going to start to turn so the backs of your palms are facing the back. And then as you exhale, they're going to press down the center with the shu. And then you're going to bring the hands around the side. Inhale, coming up, turning them behind you. Exhale, as you bend your knees. And then coming up for another one. Inhale, turning them around. Exhale, press down. And then when you're finished, you can close. How'd you like this video? I'd love to hear how you did. If you liked it, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I would be so grateful if you shared it with your friends. Thank you, and see you soon.